Yes, good morning to all of you. Myself, Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer, Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the next type of wave propagation, and the name of that particular wave propagation, it is called as the duct propagation. Now, this particular propagation, it is also called as a super refraction type of propagation, because in this particular duct propagation, the super refraction phenomenon, it is continuously used for sending the signal from one point to the another point. Basically, such a kind of duct propagation are used at very high microwave frequencies. Now let us have a look over the working of duct propagation, how exactly the wave propagated with the help of duct propagation. That point we are going to discuss here. Now, as all of we know that around the Earth's surface there is a layer of atmosphere. So, suppose this is your Earth's surface, and we are observing a layer of atmosphere around this particular Earth's surface, right? Now, as we are moving from the Earth's surface, if the height above the Earth's surface get increased, the air density we are observe that it goes on decreasing. So as height above the earth's surface goes on increasing, air density gets decreased. But vice versa, what we say that the refractive index will increase. So refractive index of this particular layer will increase. So if we go through the height increases, so air density goes on decreasing, while your refractive index will increase. Now, this particular refractive index will change gradually and linearly, but there are some certain atmospheric conditions will be done that this particular situation it will change drastically, right? So here we are saying that the refractive index goes on increasing, but suppose if there is a warm air may get trapped above the cooler air. So suppose this is the layer of cool air, right? So if a warm air is get trapped above this particular cool air, so at that time, because of this warm air, the refractive index will decrease suddenly, and this change in refractive index or decrease in the refractive index is applicable for propagation of the signal from one point to the another point. So basically this change in refractive index, it can happen near a ground as well as normally within a distance of 30 meters above the surface or above the surface of water. So due to this rapid reduction in the refractive index, the microwaves completely bend back towards the earth surface. So here you are observing, suppose this is your transmitter side, and suppose you have transmitted one signal here. Now there is a change in refractive index, so decrease in refractive index with gradual or linear change in refractive index. So at that time, suppose this at this particular point the wave gets refracted, so bends. So once again at this particular point, once again the wave gets refracted, so the bending of the wave is done. So by this way, this particular wave bend back to the earth's surface and return to the earth. Now from earth, it is once again reflected towards this particular duct portion. Once again, due to the change in refractive index gradually and linearly, the bending of the electromagnetic wave takes place, and because of this particular bending of the electromagnetic wave, the wave once again reach towards the earth surface. So by this way, the communication itself it is done. So with this particular type of duct propagation, approximately distance of 1000 kilometers we can easily propagate. Now due to this rapid reduction in the bending of the waves, we can compare this particular propagation similar to that your sky wave type of propagation. Thus the duct propagation to takes place, the temperature inversion must takes place as explained below. Now here you are observing some elevated duct propagation. So here is some layer of duct propagation here, and this is nothing but the elevated duct. So many times these particular waves will enter into the elevated duct trapped within this particular cool and warm air, and because of this particular the elevated duct created, and the propagation itself also done within this elevated duct. So the region in which the super refraction takes place is called as the duct, and duct can be formed near the earth surface or at some height from it. So here you are observing duct is formed above the height of some surface, and then this particular duct propagation, it is called as the elevated type of duct propagation. So it is important to note that the duct propagation can take place only for a very high frequencies in gigahertz, that is only at microwave frequencies. So we will stop here. Thank you very much. So this is your elevated duct propagation.